What's the meaning of affinity group? Affinity group. Affinity group. Affinity group. Affinity group. Affinity group. An affinity group refers to a group of people who share a common interest, goal, or belief. Members in an affinity group typically band together on a voluntary basis, without any formal structure or hierarchy. These groups are united by their passion for a particular topic or cause and often act as an organized force within a larger movement. Affinity groups can facilitate collective action and help build solidarity between individuals who may not have otherwise met. Overall, these groups play an important role in shaping social movements and promoting political change.